Hello everyone, my name is Willi. In this video, I will break down some of the facilities in three faculties at Universitas Kristen Indonesia. For your information, the footage I took was during a time when the campus activities has ended, so I wasn't able to provide a detailed visuals of the facilities. Okay, without further ado, let's begin with the first faculty. Faculty of Letters and Language. This faculty has three study programs: English Literature, English Education, and Mandarin Language Education. The first room here is the self-access room, which is usually used by student organizations for meetings. The next to it is the culture corner room, which is used for extracurricular activities like band practice. It is equipped with a guitar, bass, keyboard, and electric drum set. Then there is a secretariat room for administrative matters, which is connected to the offices of important figures such as dean, vice dean, and the heads and the deputy heads of each study program. There is also a language service center that serves students from all faculties. One of the activities held, there is a TOEIC test which measures English proficiency. The walls of the faculty are very vibrant, displaying a lot of student creativity. The faculty also has three classrooms that support the teaching and learning activities. Lastly, there is a computer laboratory, which is commonly used for classes like listening session. Students also frequently use it to work on assignments when the room is not in use. So I can share from now. Okay, let's move on to the next faculty. Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. There are 6 study programs: Guidance and Counseling, Christian Religious Education, Mathematics Education, Biology Education, Chemistry Education, and Physics Education. This faculty has many laboratories, including the Mathematics Laboratory and the Chemistry and Biochemistry Laboratory. You might wondering, why is there a Mandarin laboratory? Well, before it was merged into the Faculty of Letters, the Mandarin Language Education program was part of the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. This faculty also has plenty of bulletin boards and secretariat. They also have very long computer laboratory. For the last faculty is Faculty of Economics and Business. This faculty has two study programs, management and accounting. The facilities provided include a capital market laboratory, a tech center, and a research and socio-economic study center. As a side note, you'll usually find a vending machines at several spots around campus, offering a variety of foods and drinks. That's all I have to say. Thank you for listening until the end. Bye.